The standalone Kiosk web app is customizable in the way that it functions and appears to your users. So I got a little mobile phone emulator set up here, and I'll show you a little bit how we can customize the look of it. So this is the way the web page, the same page looks on an iPhone. And so we're going to go to the apps, go to the kiosk, and here's our little screenshot. And then if you're on an iOS device or if you're on a recent build of Android, you can do this as well. But we're going to add this as an app to our home screen. You can title it something different if you want, but this actually then you can just launch it from the home screen. Same functionality you'll have from within the browser, but this way you get rid of some of the extra things that kind of block it. Now I've already done this on here actually, so this is what it looks like when you launch it from the home screen. And you'll notice, as I'd mentioned in other areas, this is where you can type in part of a phone number and get a list of all your available people. If you swipe from left to right with your finger across the phone number field, this is where you get log out reset utility, as well as printers if you have label printing enabled. So this is the default theme. I'll show you here what else we have. So this function, enable alpha search, comes enabled by default, and that makes it so that you can type in a portion of a name to bring up someone. If your security is a little tighter and you don't want that to be an option, you can disable that, and you'll see that in real time, of course, that functionality is no longer enabled here. So now, if you're to enter the same letter, no results. Okay. Also, additionally, we have a household code option, which when this is turned on, you can actually you can add a security code in the household area. This could be a barcode if you've got a barcode scanner. This could be an RFID from a key fob. This could be any number that you decide as long as it's 4 digits or longer. And that could be used in place or in lieu of or in addition to a phone number. A phone number cannot be disabled as an option, but there's what it is. Here's now where we can customize the kiosk appearance. See, right now we're running the light theme. The standard dark theme looks like this. And then change background is where you can actually load in a picture of your choosing. So here's one that's got kind of a little bit of a churchy theme on it. That looks kind of cool. And then that'll look the same across all your devices. Now, let's look at the way it looks on here. You notice that the background is scaled. If we go here, it's the same background, but it's scaled for this display. So that is how that works. That's how you can customize Kiosk on your Kiddo setup.